Hello everyone, I am Dr. Fahim Ishtaq. Today we are going to discuss how to write introduction section for the research paper. I want to add that not only how to write but how to read the introduction section. You can also get this knowledge after complete this video. This is the lecture series of advanced research methodology. Previously, we have discussed the how to choose a title and writing the abstract. Today, in this lecture, we will discuss how to write the introduction section. Uh, when you are going to write introduction section for the research paper, you must have know that what should be included in each paragraph of the introduction section. In first paragraph, normally in good journals, they divided the introduction section into four different subsection. We can say that, but we will not mention as the name of subsection. But uh, the four different categories includes in the introduction section is that firstly you have to write brief background of the topic area. जो भी टॉपिक आप लेके चल रहे हैं यू हैव टू राइट ब्रीफली बैकग्राउंड ऑफ दैट टॉपिक एरिया because if someone have a beginner researcher, at least when he will read your paper he will got the base idea when he read the background of your introduction section. The second paragraph for the introduction section is the existing work, which would lead to the importance or originality of your work. Existing work में वो होगा जो रिलेटेड वर्क होगा जो आपके जिसमें आप काम करना जा रहे हैं, मेथडोलॉजी प्रपोज करना जा रहे हैं, उससे रिलेटेड जो डिफरेंट एग्जिस्टिंग वर्क होगा वो आप उसमें मेंशन करेंगे, जो भी आपका रिलेटेड वर्क है. ठीक है. जो सेकंड आपकी हम उसको कह देंगे कि टाइप जो है सेक्शन जो होगा सब सेक्शन उसमें आप वो बन जाएगा. इसी तरह थर्ड जो आपके पास आप पैराग्राफ कह लें या उसको एक सब सेक्शन के तौर पे वर्ड यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, बट मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया दिस इज़ नॉट द सब सेक्शन बट we will categorize into four different ways. That's why in third way is that description of your problem. In other words, you have to write the limitations or gap in the previous research that you are going to solve in your proposed methodology, right? So carefully write the limitation of existing model. uh, all existing model, uh, preferably that you have discussed in the related work. At the end, fourth category is the achievement. Achievement is that uh, where you have mentioned that based on the limitation that have you discussed in third category, you have to propose the XYZ, I say that model based on different features, and with this model you have evaluated using maybe different data sets or based on different evaluation parameters and compare with some different existing models as well. So all these things you have to include it in your achievement or your last paragraph. Also keep in mind you must have to include your achievement, or I can say that contribution of your research in the bullet form. You must highlight it, the contribution in different bullet. For example, in first bullet, what you are going to propose. Second, your evaluation based on what? Third, comparison models, with comparison with the state of odd models. Okay, all these things you have must be included with the bullets or numbering. Here is this is also the type of example in which we see that first paragraph we will say that we will mention the background with some literature review, right? uh, Keep in mind, it's up to you, or it's depend upon the length of the introduction. You may have to write two paragraph for the background or one paragraph. This is not compulsory. This is, here we are going as an example that first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, fourth paragraph based on the previous categories in previous slide we have discussed. The first paragraph, you have to mention the background with some literature review. In second paragraph, you have to discuss the existing work or previous work done relevant to your research. In other words, related work you have to mention in the second paragraph. In third paragraph, why need exist of your work? Why you are going to do research? How you have highlighted, you have to highlight by criticizing the existing work. Keep in mind, you must have to criticize other work in good way. Okay, you have to write limitation in the third paragraph that have done in the existing work or related work or previous work. In the last paragraph, you have to tell about your work. Also, you must include the contribution in the bullets or numbering form. Moreover, I want to add that you may add fifth paragraph where you mention that rest of the paper is organized as follows. In other words, I can say that fifth paragraph you can write is the organization of your paper. Actually, this is also the part of your achievement, your work, your contribution. That's why uh, you make a part of fourth category, but must be right in the separate paragraph. You have to write like that: the rest of the paper is organized as follows, like section 2 explain the related work of this research, and section 3 includes the material and methods. Similarly, section 4 describe the results and discussion. Section 5 describe or discuss or explain the conclusion and future work of this research. Okay, you have to write that paragraph like that. This is the introduction section. If you have any question or query, comment on the my YouTube channel page, or you may email me with my email address fahimmushtaq.it@gmail.com. FAHEEMMUSHTAQ.IT@gmail.com. I will advise you or review your work if you going to do your research work. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you.